How to check any website DAP and spam score without doing anything. So watch this complete video tutorial to understand how to check website DAP without doing anything. For example, you are visiting a website on Google domain DAPA checker. So this is some hard to check again and again visiting Google and searching website and checking DAPA website. So this is some hard. So today I will show you I will guide you how to check. So go to Chrome Web Store and install Mozbar extension. Mozbar extension help you to check every single website DAP and spam score. Now search Mozbar. Now here a Mozbar plugin. So this plugin help you to check DAP and now add to Chrome. So add to Chrome and then wait for installation. Make sure you have a Mozbar account. If you do not have an account, then create Mozbar account and log in with your account and use Mozbar extension. So successfully our plugin installed successfully. Let's enable this plugin and check. So we already login because I am already login with my Mozbar account, then I don't need to log in with my account. So here I can see. So let's refresh and go to other website. It's working or not. So let's visit our website loudupdates.com and check. So here you can see our website DA is 47 and PA is 47 and DA is 29 and spam score is 1%. So let's visit other website. Let's visit youtube.com, google.com and check YouTube DAPA. So here you can see website PA is 100 and DA is 100 and spam score is 3%. This is nothing. So you can check any single website on with this extension. This extension help you to check every single website DAPA. So install this plugin Mozbar and you can install on Chrome and Mozilla Firefox and any other browser which browser supporting Mozbar extensions. So let's check other website DAPA. For example, you are visiting the third-party website and again you visiting and enter URL for checking DAP and spam score, but this plugin help you to check any website DAP without visiting third-party website. Just install this extension and login with Mozbar and check every single website DAP and spam score. So that's a good way to understand other website DAP and spam score, and you can save your time with this plugin. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Goodbye.